Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cook leeks in the air fryer. So for this recipe we need fresh leeks, oil. I'll use olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and also we need seasonings. I'll just use simple salt and pepper. So first you need to wash the leeks. I already washed them before making this video. And now we need to cut them. I have a separate video on how to cut them. If you want to see it in more detail, please click the link in the description of the video. So to cut the leeks, I'm just going to cut off the dark green parts. Those are not edible. We just need the white parts only. So I will throw these out. And then I'm going to slice the leeks into rounds. So now once you cut them, also you can check to see if there is dirt. You can always wash it again, but these look okay. So I'm just going to put it in a bowl, and I'll add oil and seasonings. So let's drizzle with some oil and then season them. Now I will mix it. The leeks are covered with oil and seasonings. And now let's put the leeks in the air fryer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through our cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the leeks. Let's turn them over so they cook evenly. And then let's put it back on the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these roasted leeks. They're so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Now let's take them out of the air fryer. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. So they're perfectly tender. Tastes delicious. So they're kind of like onions, but with much milder flavor. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!